I'm using a fiberglass mesh tape today on these two repairs. One thing you want to do is always push in the fiberglass mesh tape into the joint, not flat across. I'm using the fiberglass mesh because it lays so flat. You don't have to bed it in mud. A lot of times I feel when you bed the tape in mud, your repair isn't as flat on the joints because you're building on top of mud right off the bat. You always want to use a quick setting joint compound. I'll be using a 20-minute USG easy sand for these repairs. Hey, I'm going to show you how to mix some quick setting joint compound, and if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you something really cool. I'm going to be using 20-minute, but you can go ahead and use 20-minute, 45-minute, and 90-minute, so there's no hurry. So basically, you just want to add some water before you pour any of the powder in. Not a lot of water. You can add more water as you go. It's kind of like baking a cake. You want to start out thick and then loosen it up to the consistency that you want. So this is a little thick. I'm going to add a little more water. I'm going to keep going with it. Love this little mixer. Okay, so it's starting to get better. I'm going to loosen it up by adding a little more water. When you're using the setting type compound, you want to read the directions because some of them are different than others. The USG Easy Sand, you can let it set for 1 minute according to the directions. All right, so it's been 1 minute, so I'm going to get it to the consistency that I want, and then I'll be ready to mud. All right, so we're done mixing. Now this is the cool part. I got a little bit of water in this bucket. I'm going to stick the mixing bit in there and just run it in just plain water and watch what happens. Boom. It's cleaned itself in a bucket of water. Gotta love that. An easier way to get perfect drywall repairs. This is my second coat over a fiberglass mesh tape after I did a 20-minute fast setting joint compound. I'm going to get the mud up there with my 12-inch taping knife and then smooth it all out with my 24-inch level 5 skim coating blade. I'll leave a link in my bio so you can check out more information about the skim coating blade. These kits are perfect for DIYers and beginners. This kit comes with the roller and a handle for doing ceilings as well. Plus the 10-inch blade, 16-inch, 24-inch, and 32-inch. Now you don't have to get a big kit like this. Now mix your joint compound to a thick yogurt consistency. The roller gives you a very consistent application of the joint compound, which is going to make your skim coat turn out even better. Roll it on, then smooth it out. I would recommend getting at least the kit that comes with the 24-inch blade, the roller, and also the handle if you're doing ceilings too. So that'd be a good kit to get for DIYers and beginners. Check out the link to the whole line of skim coating blades and kits in my bio. Thanks for watching.